Hey guys, it's Matt. Today we're going back to the weird card game. So we got Ben 10. Let's see what's in this thing. I opened up 2 of these packs and pulled 2 ultra rare cards. So let's see what we get. Jonah. Hero Time. Accelerate. Love that. Super Flight. Sud Drop in Power. Oh my god, I am Heat Blast. See, I don't know if maybe you're guaranteed a foil, but I always get a really cool, like, complete foiled out card every time I open one of these things. And Megawatt, but look at this Heat Blast. This thing looks crazy. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this. I'll see y'all in tomorrow's video. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.